Hello again, my friends. You see, I got something from a friend. It's almost like a brick. It's really heavy. That's a power supply from XP Power. That should deliver 12 volts at 12.5 amps. You know, this is a really serious power supply. It should be so nice to have this working again. In fact, I really don't know the status of this power supply. All I can say is that it was given to me. There is no cable for the output, as you can see. So I didn't find any information if it's working, if it's not working, if it's smoking or not. We'll see that in a second. But for now, let's open it up. We have 4 screws. I can see marks on the screw, so that means it was opened before. Not often, but it does open, that's for sure. So this power supply is intended for information technology, for use with the information technology equipment. So, well, here are some marks, but nothing tragic. Okay, this is in the air. Or a bad soldering, I don't know. Let's take this out. That's a shield, but also a heat disperser of some sort. Anyway, it's connected probably to the ground. Okay. Careful with the capacitors, they can be charged even after months. Where is the big guy? Should be here somewhere. We have a rectifier over there, and the capacitor should be these two or these two. Let's be sure that we are protected. And these 2 big guys here. Okay, you'll wonder why I have that bar around here. Well, I need that to have a secure first connection to the mains. I'll use that in series with the power supply. Let's check for voltages first. Oh, that's good. Nothing. These 2 guys here. Probably yes. I have a electrolytic of 1500 microfarads at the output, so everything connected in parallel with this guy will be the output for sure. We got the minus here, yeah, and plus should be, of course. So this is plus and minus. But it's nice that there is a kind of shunt here. You see that guy there? RS11 resistance, shunt resistance or something. Let's see. It's like 100 milliohms or something. Yeah, it can be a kind of shunt. Probably a kind of current sensor for protection case of overload or something. Well, smells good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Like usually, let's check for short input. So this is the input to the rectifier, which is in a perfect shape. No problemos. The output, the rectifier is fine. What we got here? Can we take this out? Let me see. Of course, you'll say, why not just plug it in? You see? Alright. This is silicone. Of course it is. Look at the wire inside the transformer. It's really strong. You see? In fact, it's a multi-wire kind of coil. And here we have a 4 amp. Now I see. Here is the capacitor. 2 volts. Perfect. You see this? This is done manually. That means somebody put a lot of attention with this guy. Look there. So we got this silicone fixing the things, and even the way they put the transformers you know, in different axes. That means it's not interfering of any way. Electromagnetic interference, of course. Here we have the optocouples. Doesn't look bad. What about these guys? Good. It's looking good. You see, Fluke have this function that have a short peep when a transistor junction or a diode is okay. You heard that? Everything's fine here. What? No, it's good. What else? Any other? Okay, I got two more diodes connected to the output, obviously. Let's see. Of course. And this one. So we got two diodes in parallel. Well, it's looking good for now. Let's prepare the power supply. I got nothing special about that, but I can use an improvisation. It's a very simple circuit. One of these guys is coming here. I have this piece of cable. I need some more space. Once again, your best friend when it's about cables and all these things we are doing with cables. It's KU, it's stripper. Stripper, right. So I can say I have my own stripper, right. I know it's not elegant, but it's effective. Nothing here. Perfect. No short. We are good to plug it in. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom. What was that? So we had the first one because the capacitors are charging, you know, the big one. This is funny. I can see the LED lighting. Look there. Don't tell me it's just working. Lucky me. So plus and minus. And it is working. Well, I have power to these guys. Well, it feels like working. I don't see anything strange for now. Let's take this out and let's just use the power supply the way it is. Goes away. Power on. Do we have the... Yes, the LED, it's green. Let's see now. You see, now I'm talking about serious power. So that's a really bulb. Plus, minus, doesn't matter. Let's go. Well, it's good. Lucky me. Let's see what we got here. .84 amps. Not even close to 10 amps. Okay, let's try. It's kind of short. Almost. Now it's getting protection. What I can say that it's auto-recovering from the short or so-called short. You see? 5.52. You see? It have a moment of hesitation, checking the current, and then delivers. Well, I'm kind of disappointed. We should have better current. Okay, so what I found is that two of these guys parallel doesn't really trigger the power supply, and probably it's too much. 5.2. You see there, 17, 16 something. Yeah. Okay, I can't make this you know, to give me some more, because okay, that's the best I can do. Let me turn this off. It's out of the power. You see the big capacitor, it's still here. I don't want to touch that. Man, crazy. Let me do that with the bulb. Here is the capacitor. Oh, come on. So that I can tell you, there it's enough power to shake you well, to throw you in a corner, just like that. Let's check for voltage. Now it's safe to work with. Okay, people, that's it. It's working. And I thought so. You know, it's looking good. I don't see any problem with that. Let me check for. Now, nothing left to do but to put all these things back together, to have the wires, to have the output. I'm not gonna use that like a 12 volt supply. I know for sure it gives like 5.5 amps, yeah, like 60 watts. For nothing, for free, it's absolutely perfect. Okay, that's it for today. Like always, thanks to my sponsors, Raduji from Belgium, Vladkaya from Amphia Records, and of course, Jack Kitchener from States. And before anything else, subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. Push the like button. I'm waiting your comments. Write them down. Don't be shy. And the most important thing, until the next one, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.